There's something about this girl from around my way. And I'm trying to hold back the feelings, but it just can't stay. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away.
That ass on my, like Rosa Parks. At the bus stop, tryna fuck, what it do? Dreaming about that pussy just like Dr. King. I hit once, it drove me crazy like angel dust. You not wearing pink, you can't hang with us.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lexi D, and you're now in tune with another sound check segment. Today I have GoldxHaze with me. How are you? What's up?
I'm feeling blessed. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I just want to let the people to know, what is your background info? Like, tell us, who is GoldxHaze? Where are you from? What do you do?
Well, I'm a 24-year-old producer. I've been producing for like a few years, since 2012, 2013. I worked with a few artists. And my main sound is like 90s samples and hard 808s. You know, I like to mesh the two together. And yeah.
Alright, so tell me a bit about your music journey. What made you want to start making music? What made you want to become a producer or an artist?
I was really like raised by like music, period. Like, my mom and my dad, I had like a bunch of CD crates. My uncle, I have a whole bunch of CDs just in his room. And you know, I just sit at the crib and just like look at the booklets and everything, the credits and everything, like, you know. And then I just watch clips on YouTube, and it just inspired me to just create my own work. Yeah.
Who are some of your inspirations when it comes to your music?
Definitely Kanye, Just Blaze, for real, definitely Timberland. And with the rap side, I'll say Jay, Nas, Lupe, Kanye again. And right now you got Cole, Kendrick, Drake.
Good ones.
Good ones.
Good list. Yeah. Alright, so you are a producer and rapper. So let's talk about your music a little bit. So in 2017, was that the Hope You Understand, was that your first project you
Yes,
dropped?
yes.
Alright, and then last year, like towards the end of last year, you dropped Never Forget.
Yes.
So what was that like for you to finally step out of your box as a producer and like go for rapping and make those projects?
Creating Hope You Understand, that was definitely refreshing for me, because I was just looking for something new to do. You know, before Hope You Understand came out, I kind of teased rapping on There's Something. I dropped one song called Stay the Night, like a freestyle, that just to see what people would think about it. And people liked it, so I was like, man, what if I actually record more songs? And more songs turned into a project. And that's what Hope You Understand came about. And I got good feedback from it, so it made me keep going, and that's when Never Forget came.
And then recently, just in February, you dropped a song.
Yeah, it came up.
Yeah. I did post it on, I don't know if you've heard of Dinnerland. It's like a production company from New York. We posted it on our Playing Field page.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the aesthetics were fire. I'll send you the link later.
Thank you.
But
I remember you telling me that.
No?
I remember you telling me that. Yeah.
Okay. I wasn't sure if I told you or not, so I was just reminding you. But what was the inspiration for the song, and how were you able to put that visual together for it?
It's crazy, because I was actually sitting on that song since last April.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, before Never Forget was even done. I was just trying to figure out the right way to put it. And everyone around me was just telling me to say that song for a special time. Because that song did better than the entire project I dropped.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I was like, man, whenever I drop this, I'm going to have to do it in a special way with a video and everything. You know, just treat it like a song project. You know, so it came about great. The artwork fit the video. You know,
yeah, that video was fire. The artwork was fire.
Thank you so much. Shout out to Brandon Holmes, man, my brother Brandon. Yeah,
it was really good. It caught my attention.
Thank you.
So let's get into your producing. So you started out producing originally, right?
Yes.
First.
Yes.
So you've been doing that since 2012.
2012.
Long time. During that time, you've worked with many artists. Flex,
my boy Flex.
Tony Romiti.
Tony.
Queen Key. Speaking of Queen Key, she just dropped her project.
EMP again, right now.
So listen. How did that connection come about between you and Queen Key, and how did she choose the track? Because you know, like producers, like sometimes they have like which song they're gonna make the project and which song is not gonna make the project. So how did the track you produced make it?
I met Queen Key back in 2016 at Orlando Mall. It was a mall, and it was like, man, I gotta get up with you, work with you. So a few months later, I just sent her some beats, and of course, you know, like certain beats didn't fit the project she was working on at the time, but this particular time, everything worked out perfect. I sent her that Go joint, and she hopped on it like 3 days after I sent it. She was like, "I'm in LA right now, bro. I'm finna hop on it right now." And after that, months went by, and then the project came about, and here you go right now.
Now it's out.
Yeah, so now
he's on the project.
Yeah.
So that's
that's
a blessing. That's a blessing.
Definitely a blessing. Shout out Queen Key. She a special.
Definitely
special
go
spirit.
listen to that project too. It's fire.
Yeah.
So, how important do you think it is for a producer and an artist to develop their relationship outside of music?
Oh, very important, because it'll make everything authentic. You know, like they won't be chasing the sound. They won't come in like, "Oh man, I need this particular sound." You will learn more about the artist and learn more about what they go through on a daily basis. You know, like if somebody going through something and the artist can explain it to a producer in a better way, like, "Man, I need this beat. I've been going through this. Like, just turn the 808s down on this. I don't need the hi-hats like this. Like, just the chemistry would be way better and higher."
Do you prefer being in the studio with the artist, or it doesn't matter to you?
That don't really matter. It's just like you could feel the energy even through text. Like when you text the artist, like you could just see where they at mentally. You know, it's like, okay, I see you focused. I see you locked in. So I'm gonna sing this right now. You know, so yeah.
So since you produce and then you rap, do you prefer one over the other, or is it all in the same for you?
It's all in the same love, because you know, it's just music at the end of the day. Yeah, I like to see other people shine, so it don't really matter like if it's one of my songs or the songs I produce shine. So yeah.
So I've been noticing a lot of, over the times through hip hop music in general, a lot of producers like make that crossover and start rapping, or they start making music.
Yeah.
Do you feel like that's becoming more prominent now, or you think it's just been the same?
It's always kind of been the same since, like, I feel like I was inspired to produce and rap since Pharrell dropped in my mind. That was one of the projects that made me be like, damn, okay, he producing and hopping on his own beats, like, okay, like. And then when Kanye did it with the College Dropout, so it's been happening. It's just, do you have the drive to do it for a project and really push it out as your work? Because there's a lot of people, I see a lot of producers that's rapping, but I just see glimpses of it. I don't see them like really, like, damn, okay, this is my full project, like, you know, like, so yeah.
Now with back to the question about the topic about you making music. Do you produce all your music, or you have other producers outside of that?
I work with different producers. Yeah. Shout out my brother Ro Marcellus. He was working with me on that Pressure joint. I'll never forget. That's one of my favorite joints on there.
Yeah, because I know like some producers, when they do make rap music, or they make music, they're really particular about what they want. Like, let's say Cole, because for a while he was producing his own stuff, but like eventually he started opening up.
He was hopping on his own beats.
I know, and he was killing it too. But so that's.
I hate that whole narrative that Cole beats is boring.
I don't think. Okay, listen, I'm a Dreamville stan. We can go on and on.
Yeah, like,
trust me.
Friday Night Lights, bro. Stop playing with Cole.
Yeah, period. I feel like people just like to pick at him because it's the popular thing to do. Yeah. Just like because they think it's funny, but it's kind of old now.
Facts.
Yeah, it's old.
It's been done. But Cole got classics, man.
Yeah, Cole got classics out the ass. But so hip hop is becoming very filled with women now. Like a lot of female rappers are coming in. What are your thoughts about that? Like, how do you feel about it?
I love it. The more the better. Shit, Megan Thee Stallion. I was listening to
her project is sick.
Like, shit crazy.
She can rap her ass off. I was just talking to one of my homies. I was like, she like the way she flows on that reminds me of Bun B, or like a Pimp C type. Yeah. I can hear it.
The way she emphasizes on her words, like, it should be crazy.
Right. Right.
Keep it coming.
Yeah.
These females out here rapping harder than these niggas.
For real. Yes. We're gonna get to the fun stuff. We're gonna play this or that. I like to play this with producers mostly because y'all know a lot. I'm not saying rappers don't know a lot either, but I think you guys' perspective on stuff is more interesting to me. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna do a rapper section and a producer section, but the rapper section is mostly Chicago artists, but the producers are all over the place. So it's this or that. All right. Ready? Chief Keef or G Herbo?
Damn.
I know.
Why you do that?
I had to do it.
Keith or her?
Damn. You gotta choose one.
Keith wave was crazy.
Yeah.
Keith wave.
But how about now?
Right now, her was crazy. Her going crazy.
Right.
But I'm gonna be honest. I was young when Keith wave was going crazy, so it's like that's kind of not your childhood, just like your high school. Like damn, like Love Sosa came up.
Oh my God! Don't even get me started. Everybody in the city was going
What?
wild.
So Keith, yeah.
Yeah.
I love her. Herb, I love you, man. But
Next one. Now, if you do not choose the right person, I'm gonna judge you forever. Like me.
Yeah,
our first friendship is over.
it's over.
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
You gotta pick the right one. Well, let me not push it that far, but I'm gonna judge you.
You just gave me a.
I'm sorry, I put pressure on you.
Yeah.
Pressure, no pun intended.
Oh, okay.
You see what I did there?
I feel it coming. I feel it coming.
Okay. Pharrell or Timbaland? Please pick the right one. Please.
You know. Yeah. Period. Yeah. You know.
Yes.
Come on.
Okay.
Man.
Pharrell slash the Neptunes. Next one is Boy Wonder or Just Blaze.
Just Blaze.
Just
yeah,
Blaze,
the
period.
shit he did on Blueprint. Yeah, Just Blaze.
All right. Cardo Got Wings or Chase the Money.
Oh,
Cardo.
Cardo.
Period.
Cushion orange juice. So what he doing right now? All respect to Cardo. God's plan, 10 times platinum.
All right. Next one is Hit Boy or Kenny Beats.
Damn. Whoa, Kenny. Hit Boy.
Next one. Tay Keith or Pierre Bourne. I hope I said his last name right. I can never pronounce his last name right.
Tay Keith.
Tay Keith.
Yeah,
Post
Tay
these
Keith.
niggas
Yeah.
up.
Tay Keith got a simple, but he got a hard ass bounce.
Yeah.
It's serious, like a club bounce. He got
All right. So you did it. You got through.
We done?
Yeah.
That was
And
quick.
last thing I want to ask you.
What's up?
What can we expect from you
In the future?
in the future? Yes.
I'm working on a few projects. I don't want to put no date on nothing, but definitely this year, y'all gonna see me. Y'all gonna see me. Shout out my brother Flex, the entire Rich Vision, Plug, AJ, J Noir, Blessing, Darren Jackson. Trying to remember everybody else. The Queen DJ Lena Bands. She raw as fuck. She
Oh
she
yeah,
cold
I
ass
heard
nigga.
about her.
Cold
She's
as
cool.
fuck. She killing shit right now. The entire team. Everybody out here killing shit, man. Just we gonna keep shit going.
Thank you so much.
Anytime. You keep this shit going. You
Oh.
snapping right now. You snapping. I love your videos, man.
Oh, you watch them?
I'll be watching your YouTube page.
High
Yeah,
five.
come on.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out GoldxHaze on Queen Key's project, Eat My Pussy Again. And make sure you check out his song Came Up with the visual. Make sure you check out his projects, Never Forget, and Hope You Understand. All available on all streaming services.
All love. Stay blessed, y'all. Love.